right here. Get rid of it before it gets too big. I heard a bubble over here. So the body line goes down to there like that. This kind of stuff, what I'm doing right now, you won't, unless you're shrinking it to, like, around everything. We didn't put a big pull, as you saw. We just kind of, he had this side go this way, I had that side go that way. That gives us the stretch here. He pulls up and down right here at the edge. So now, once I put this back down like this, it'll continue to have that and then bend that corner. So this part will need heat, but like stuff like this, it kind of just like lays. You'll see right here, there's another hard. I would not want to bridge this just in any film, just because it is a like hard angle right here. And that if you even like try, even with as much heat as you could put on it, it'll still most likely lift up, especially in the biggest heat. Why did he zoom in on me? Small heat. And you kind of don't want to block it, and boom, get all the air out like that. And then these little side wings, want to follow it around. I mean, you got to tell me a PPF that you know that can take little edges like that with just a little bit of heat like that, small amount, and then you just get it fed into there like that. And boom.
What's going on, guys? We got a little bit of a different video here for you today. We have a brand new walk-in client here, and he has this beautiful Lamborghini Urus Performante, and he just wanted to get it wrapped. He already had the clear PPF, the protection that he needed. He just needed a new color. The exact color he wanted was the same color that he has in his garage on a Lamborghini Huracan. We have this beautiful line of films called Cosmetic PPF, where it changes the color of your car like wrap, but it also gives you the benefits of paint protection film. He loved that idea. He wanted the best of both worlds, so we removed all the clear PPF, put the brand new green PPF. This is dark green pearl, and it is a perfect match. It's got all the benefits of PPF, so you get the hydrophobic coating, you get the rock chip protection, the scratch protection, the ultra healing on the outer layer of the film. It's just, this is one of the best films I've ever seen, ever worked with. It's just, wait till you see the gloss on it. So while installing, I will say that it makes it so much easier compared to a regular PPF that this is a dry install material and you still get that amazing finish as if it's glass. Another great benefit of PPF is the film is so clear that you can see all the little details in it. So it's got a lot of depth to it. So you'll see in this green, the metallic flake is just perfect. There's so much metallic flake and it's so clear, especially once the sun hits it, it's just gonna reflect all the light and it's perfect. Remember, we only carry this specific line of cosmetic PPF here in Las Vegas, Nevada, Incognito Wraps. If you guys want to see any other cars and any other colors from this brand, just let me know. We'll try to get them in the shop. We'll see you on the next video.